Okay, for last lecture, this classification of optical fibers. Optical fibers, they are classified uh, into two classes on the basis of number of modes, number of allowed paths, single mode fiber and multi-mode fiber. Okay, they are classified into two classes, single mode fiber and multi-mode fibers. Okay, these multi-mode fibers again classified on the basis of index profile. What is definition of index profile? Anyone? Index profile. Definition of index profile. Roll number 2, Saili Bhosle.
Yes, sir.
Definition of index profile.
Plot of refractive index drawn on horizontal axis versus the distance from the core axis drawn on the vertical axis.
Okay, on the basis of this index profile, there are two types of optical fiber: step index type, and second one is the graded index types. Okay, then first type is single mode fiber. The single mode fiber SI type means step index type. First point is written. Last time this 3.4 points are written or not? लिहिलेत का सगळे आपण चारीचे चारी points?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this first point is, we'll read that first point. पटकन प्रत्येक वेळेस
Has a small core diameter and can support only one mode of propagation.
Okay, single mode fiber has a small core diameter and can support only one mode of propagation. Second is
Core diameter is of the order of 4 micrometer.
core diameter, it is of the order of 4 micrometer. Then third, SMF SI type. SI type means step index type. What is meaning of this step index type? This third point is there. What is step index type? SI type.
Refractive index of the fiber changes abruptly at the core cladding boundary.
Okay, refractive index of the fiber changes. See here, this is the core, its refractive index is N1, cladding its refractive index is N2. This refractive index of the fiber changes abruptly or suddenly at core cladding interface. Okay, this is the SI type. And last point is value of delta is very small. Okay, it is of the order of delta means fractional refractive index. It is very small. It is of the order of hello.
0.002.
Okay, it is of the order of 0.002. Okay, this is a SMF, the single mode fiber SI type. This figure is completed. झाली का figure काढून last time? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then can I take next type, second type? झाले का Ganesh? Roll number 50.
Yes.
झाले. Okay, all. Okay, SMF SI type is over now. Okay, झाले ना सगळं लिहून? ठीक आहे.
Yes, sir.
Okay, second type, write it. MMF SI type, multimode fiber SI type. Multimode fiber step index type. In multimode fiber means core diameter is large. Multimode fiber means large core diameter and can support number of paths or number of modes. And with the number of allowed paths depends upon core diameter. Core diameter is small, number of allowed paths are less. If core diameter is large, number of allowed paths are more. This in multimode fiber, core diameter is large and can support many modes or number of modes of propagation. This is first point. And so core diameter large means it is of the order of 100 micrometer. In multimode fiber, this core diameter of this multimode fiber, it is of the order of 100 micrometer. Then it is SI type, step index type. Step index type means refractive index of the fiber changes suddenly or abruptly at the core cladding boundary. Okay, this multimode fibers SI type means refractive index of the fiber. SI type means N1 with the refractive index of core, N2 with the refractive index of cladding. And this refractive index changes suddenly or abruptly at the core cladding boundary. This is core. Okay, core. Its refractive index is N1. N1. Second, this is the cladding. Its refractive index is N2. This Ni means refractive index changes. The distance from this axis increases There is no change in refractive index up to core cladding interface. Its value is N1. And at this boundary, the refractive index suddenly dropped from N1 to N2. N1 to N2. At the core cladding boundary, the refractive index suddenly dropped from N1 to N2. This is N1 here. This is N2. Okay, this is N2 here. This is axis of this fiber. On this x-axis, what is taken? Refractive index is taken. On this y-axis, what is taken? Distance from the fiber axis is taken. The distance is taken. This Ri changes suddenly or abruptly at this core cladding boundary. Okay, from N1 to N2. This type of fiber is called as SI type fiber. It is called as step index type fiber. This is third. Refractive index of the fiber changes abruptly at the core cladding boundary. And last, NA means numerical aperture is large. What is formula for numerical aperture? Numerical aperture is equal to under root N1 square minus N2 square. Okay, this is numerical aperture, and value of this numerical aperture is large. It is of the order of 0.3. Okay, these are the 4 points for multimode fiber step index type or multimode fiber SI type. Write it. First point, multimode fiber has a large core diameter and can support many modes of propagation. Multimode fiber has a large core diameter and can support many modes of propagation or number of modes of propagation. Okay, और पहिला पॉइंट झाला का लिहून? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then second point, core diameter is of the order of 100 micrometer. Core diameter, it is of the order of 100 micrometer. And for single mode fiber, what is core diameter? SMF साठी किती आहे? Okay, SMF साठी किती आहे? 4 micrometer. आणि इथे किती आहे MMF? मल्टीमोड फायबर साठी 100 micrometer. The core diameter is large. It is of the order of 100 micrometer. And this SMF also SI type. MMF is also SI type, step index type. Okay. Refractive index of the fiber changes. Refractive index of the fiber changes abruptly. Refractive index of the fiber changes abruptly. This abruptly means suddenly at the core cladding boundary. Refractive index of the fiber changes abruptly or changes suddenly at the core cladding boundary. The next, NA is large. NA means numerical aperture is large. NA is large. It is approximately equal to 0.3. NA is large. It is of the order of 0.3. 0.3. A similar figure is there only as compared to previous figure. This is SMF. Here core diameter is small. Here in this figure, this core diameter is small. Here core diameter is small. It is 4 micrometer. And accordingly, this N1 is also here. Show the N1. And here N2. And here in this figure, only similar figure is there. Only this core diameter is large. Okay, as compared to previous figure, this core diameter is large. Okay, other things are similar one. Okay, complete this figure. So this is refractive index on x-axis and distance from the core axis is taken on y-axis. This is y-axis, the distance from the core axis. the distance from core axis is taken on y-axis and refractive index is taken on x-axis, and this is called as index profile. It is called as index profile. Index profile of this multimode fiber SI type. Okay, step index type. Okay, complete it. I will give 1 or 2 minutes. फिगर झाल्यानंतर सांगा yes no. Okay, over. This figure is over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we'll give third type now. Okay, this first SMF SI type is over. This first type is over. SMF is single mode fiber. SI type is over. MMF SI type is over. Third MMF graded index type. Okay, this third type. What is graded index type? Anyone? What is graded index type? Anyone? What is the difference between SI type and graded index type? In short. Hello. Graded index type. In graded index type, this core is not made up from a single type of material. This core is made up from concentric rings or concentric layers of these different types of material. For example, see, this is the core. The innermost region is called as core. This core is made up from concentric rings. First ring ahe, its refractive index is high. Then second ring, its refractive index is less as compared to previous ring. Then one more ring, third ring, its refractive index is again less as compared to previous two rings. Again, next ring, its refractive index is less as compared to previous 1, 2, 3 rings. Okay, means this core is made up from a concentric rings or concentric layers of different types of materials, and this refractive index goes on decreasing. The radial distance increases, when distance from the core axis increases, refractive index goes on decreasing. See here, this distance from the axis is increases here. At the center, value of Ri is maximum. Distance increases, refractive index goes on decreasing. कशाचा refractive index आहे हा? हे काय आहे?
Core.
Core. And second layer is there. This is the cladding. This cladding is made up from only one type of material. त्याचा refractive index मात्र constant आहे. तो किती आहे? N2 आहे. फक्त कोर कसा आहे? कोर इज मेड अप फ्रॉम अ सिंगल टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल. म्हणजे त्याचा हे काय येणार आहे हो? इंडेक्स प्रोफाइल काय येणार आहे? दिस इज रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह इंडेक्स इज टेकन ऑन x axis. Distance from the core axis is taken on y axis. The refractive index goes on decreasing. Distance from the axis increases, refractive index goes on decreasing. कुठं मॅक्झिमम आहे? ऍक्सिसला मॅक्झिमम आहे, इथं मॅक्झिमम आहे. डिस्टन्स वाढवत गेलो, रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह इंडेक्स काय होणार आहे? हॅलो हॅलो, कमी होणार आहे. कुठपर्यंत कमी होणार आहे? अप टू कोअर क्लॅडिंग बाउंड्री. आणि क्लॅडिंगचा रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह इंडेक्स काय आहे? कॉन्स्टंट आहे. तो किती आहे? N2 आहे. तसंच ह्या साईडला पण, तर सेंटरला मॅक्झिमम आहे. डिस्टन्स वाढवत गेलो, N1 ची व्हॅल्यू कमी कमी होत गेली. N1 म्हणजे रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह इंडेक्स ऑफ कोर. हा कोरचा रिफ्रॅक्टिव्ह इंडेक्स हा युनिफॉर्म नाहीये. N1 ची व्हॅल्यू सेंटरला मॅक्झिमम आहे. सेंटर पासून आपण जसं जसं दूर जाईल तसं N1 ची व्हॅल्यू काय होते, कमी होत जाते. गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. मीन्स दिस कोर इज नॉट मेड अप फ्रॉम only one type of material or single type of material. Core is made up from concentric rings or concentric layers of different types of material. Its refractive index is maximum at the center. Distance increases, radial distance increases, the Ri with refractive index goes on decreasing. And refractive index of cladding is uniform. Its value is N2. Na काय असणार आहे? Na is equal to under root N1 square minus N2 square. N1 कुठं मॅक्झिमम असेल? व्हॅल्यू ऑफ N1 इज मॅक्झिमम ऍट दी
सेंटर.
सेंटरला. ते डिस्टन्स वाढवत गेलो आपण, N1 काय होत जात आहे?
डिक्रीज.
डिक्रीज होत जाते. मग Na पण काय होणार आहे?
डिक्रीज होणार.
Na कुठं मॅक्झिमम असणार आहे? व्हॅल्यू ऑफ Na इज मॅक्झिमम ऍट दी
सेंटर.
सेंटरला. ओके, व्हॅल्यू ऑफ Na इज मॅक्झिमम ऍट दी सेंटर. रेडियल डिस्टन्स इंक्रीजेस, Na गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. तसंच डेल्टाचं काय आहे सांगा? डेल्टा डेल्टा इज इक्वल टू N1 minus N2 upon N1. Okay, here N1 is not uniform. Value of N1 is not uniform. Its value is maximum at the center. Radial distance increases, N1 goes on decreasing. Means delta is maximum at the axis of this fiber or at the center of this fiber. Radial distance increases, this delta is also goes on decreasing. Means Na and delta goes on decreasing. Distance increases, radial distance increases, distance from the axis increases, this Na and delta goes on decreasing. This is one more point. Now, which type of fiber? This is which type of fiber?
Graded index.
Graded index type, GRIN. Okay, this is index profile. Index profile. This is graded index type fiber. Right, first point. The graded index is a multimode fiber. Graded index is a multimode fiber. Graded index is a multimode fiber with a core consists of. Graded index is a multimode fiber with a core consists of concentric layers of different refractive indices. The graded index fiber is a multimode fiber with a core consists of concentric layers of different refractive indices. Okay. Then second point is Ri of core. Okay, first point is over. झाला का first point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, refractive index of core varies with or changes with distance from the fiber axis. Ri of core varies with distance from the fiber axis. Ri of core varies with distance from the fiber axis. Third, it has high value at the center. It has high value at the center. It has high value at the center and decreases with increasing radial distance from the axis. Decreases with increasing radial distance from the axis. It has been value of refractive index is high at the center of this optical fiber. See here, value of Ri is maximum at the center, radial distance increases, refractive index goes on decreasing. It has high value at the center and decreases with increasing radial distance from the axis. Then fourth point, the acceptance angle and NA, acceptance angle and numerical aperture. Acceptance angle and numerical aperture decreases with radial distance, decreases with radial distance from the axis, decreases with radial distance from the axis. The acceptance angle and numerical aperture decreases with radial distance from the axis. Okay, then draw this figure. Show here this index profile. This index profile. N1 is not uniform. This refractive index of core is not uniform. Its value is maximum at the center. Radial distance increases. N1 goes on decreasing. This is Ri refractive index versus distance from the core axis, distance from the axis. Distance from axis. Complete this figure. So this is the core. This core is made up from concentric rings or concentric layers of different refractive indices. The refractive index of core is not uniform. This is the cladding, its refractive index is uniform, it is N2. The cladding, it is N2. But refractive index of core is not uniform. We complete the figure. Okay, fourth point is such a profile causes periodic focusing of light is there. See here, this is the periodic, these are the light waves. These are the number of modes, they are focused at this point. Again, they are away from each other. Again, they are focused at this point. They are again away from each other. This here, periodic focusing of light is there. In which type of fiber? Graded index type. Write it. Write one more point. Such profile causes a periodic focusing of light. A periodic such a profile causes a periodic focusing of light, periodic focusing of light propagating through the fiber. Periodic focusing of light propagating through the fiber. Okay, this is the types of optical fiber. Optical fiber, there are two types, single mode and multi-mode. Means on the basis of modes, number of allowed paths, they are classified into two classes. First is on the basis of modes, and number of modes depends upon कशावर अवलंबून आहे तो core size and how many paths are allowed, किती कशावर अवलंबून आहेत depends
Core
upon
size and numerical aperture.
numerical aperture. Okay, on the basis of this mode, there are two types, single mode and multi-mode fiber. Single mode fiber, they are always SI type. SI means step index type. This multi-mode fibers, on the basis of this index profile means it is a plot of refractive index is taken on which axis? Horizontal axis versus distance from core axis. Okay, distance from this core axis is taken on this vertical axis. Okay, on the basis of this index profile, there are two types, multi-mode fiber SI type, multi-mode fiber graded index type. In SI type, core diameter is 4 micrometer. 4 micrometer. Then it is SI type is Ri changes suddenly, abruptly at core cladding boundary. And okay, this is the 2 points are there. The only one path is allowed, single path. The single path is allowed. Similar points in MMF SI type. What is first one? Core diameter is किती? Hello.
Large.
किती? 100 micrometer. And here delta is Na and delta is small. Delta is of the order of किती आहे इथं single mode साठी 0.002 म्हणलंय ना. Okay, this is delta. It is small. Here 100 micrometer. Na is large. Na किती आहे हो? MMF साठी MMF SI type 0.3 and it is SI type step index type. This Ri changes suddenly or abruptly at the core cladding boundary. And here diameter is 100 micrometer. It is periodic focusing of light is there. The light waves are guided by which principle here? Periodic focusing of light like this. Okay, and here graded index profile is GRIN type. And this acceptance angle theta 0 and NA कसा आहे? Is maximum at the
Center.
maximum at the center. Radial distance increases, this theta 0 and Na goes on increasing or decreasing? कसा आहे? Decreasing.
Decreasing.
ओके, मॅक्झिमम कुठे आहेत? ऍक्सिसला मॅक्झिमम आहेत. डिस्टन्स वाढवत गेले की आपण ते काय होतात? डिक्रीज होतात. ओके, दिस इज द टाइप्स ऑफ ऑप्टिकल फायबर और क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑप्टिकल फायबर. And right next is advantages of optical fiber. Advantages of optical fiber over wire communication. Advantages. Right, first advantage. Optical fibers have wider bandwidth. पहले लिहा wider bandwidth. Optical fibers have a wider bandwidth. Wider bandwidth means a number of paths are allowed, means information carrying capacity or information holding capacity is very high. 1 mm fiber cable can transmit, 1 mm is 1 mm diameter optical fiber cable can transmit 10,000 calls simultaneously. 10,000 calls जाऊ शकतात एका mm च्या फायबर केबल मध्ये. its bandwidth is high, this information carrying capacity or information holding capacity of this optical fiber is very high. The first point is written. लिहिलं का first point? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Optical fibers have wider bandwidth. Wider bandwidth meaning काय आहे? Information carrying capacity is very high. त्यालाच डॅश मारून पहिला पॉइंट लिहा. डॅश करा. त्यालाच वायडर बँडविड्थलाच आपण हे म्हणतो इन्फॉर्मेशन कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी. Information carrying capacity of optical fiber is very high, means wider bandwidth. ते दोन सेपरेट करण्यापेक्षा एक केला आपण. Wider bandwidth. Wider bandwidth means information carrying capacity or information holding capacity of this optical fiber is very high. This is first advantage number 1. लिहिलं का हे? information carrying capacity of optical fiber is very high. झाल्यावर सांगा. झालं ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then second write it. Second advantage number 2, due to low weight and small size, low weight and small size, due to low weight and small size, it is suitable in space and aeronautical applications. Due to low weight and small size, it is suitable in space and aeronautical applications. We will read first two. पहले दोनों कौन सांगता है? The others will get time for writing. 22 number Aniket Dubal.
Yes, sir.
Read the first two advantages.
Information carrying capacity of optical fiber is very high.
त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो? त्यालाच काय म्हणतो आपण? Optical fibers have a
Wide bandwidth.
wider bandwidth.
Wider bandwidth.
Okay, and second?
Due to low weight and small size, it is suitable in space and aeronautical applications.
Okay, aeronautical applications. Okay, these are the two advantages. Right, third one, it has a low cost. Optical fibers have low cost. का low cost है वो? They are made up from glass. Glass कशापासून बनते? हाँ. Glass कशापासून बनते?
Silicon.
And silica is easily available. We are getting easily this silica. That's why cost of this optical fiber is very less. Right? It has low cost. It has low cost because raw material used for optical fiber is glass, in bracket write it silica. It has low cost because a raw material used for optical fiber is glass, in bracket write it silica, which is easily available in plenty on earth. Which is easily available on earth म्हणा. अजून एक शब्द कमी करू आपण. Which is easily available on earth. कारण on earth पण म्हणायची गरज नाही. Which is easily available. चला. Which is easily available. ठीक है. This is third advantage. Fourth, write it fourth. Optical fibers are insulators. Optical fibers are insulators. Optical fibers are insulators. Glass is insulating material. Means optical fibers are insulating material. Optical fibers are insulators. So they are free from sparking, short circuit, etc. They are free from sparking, short circuit, etc. Okay, optical fibers are insulators, so they are free from sparking, short circuit, etc. We'll read this third and fourth. तिसरा आणि चौथा कोण वाचतंय? This is third and fourth. पहिले दोन झालेत आता. Anyone? Read the advantage number 3 and 4.
It has low cost because raw material used for optical fiber is glass material, which is easily available. Optical fibers are insulators, so they are free from sparking, short circuit, leakage, etc.
Okay, then write it fifth one. It is not affected by electromagnetic interference. It is not affected by electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference. It is not affected by electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference. Last one. Through optical fibers, crosstalk possibility, this cross connection possibility is greatly reduced. For optical fibers, crosstalk or cross connection possibility is greatly reduced. Crosstalk or cross connection possibility is greatly reduced. A crosstalk possibility or cross connection through optical fibers, crosstalk possibility, CROSSTALK, crosstalk possibility is greatly reduced. And here, see the syllabus. Now, first is over derivation, acceptance angle, acceptance for numerical aperture, fractional refractive index change. It is over. 7.1 is principle of optical fiber, means this total internal reflection and structure is over. Then classification of optical fiber, single mode, multi-mode, index profile, step index type, graded index type, that is also over. And advantages of optical fiber over conducting wires. This unit now is now completed. Only discussion on multiple choice questions is remaining. Before that, take assignment questions. Assignment questions on this unit. Explain, right? Question number 1. Explain structure of optical fiber. First, take and explain mana structure of optical fiber. Structure of optical fiber. Second, question number 2. Define the following terms. Define the following terms. Define the following terms. Critical angle. Critical angle. And second is critical angle, and second is total internal reflection. Define these two terms, critical angle and total internal reflection. Then next, derive an expression for acceptance angle and numerical aperture. Acceptance angle and numerical aperture of optical fiber. Derive an expression for acceptance angle and numerical aperture of optical fiber. किती झाले questions? Hello. How many questions are over?
3.
Write it. Next question number 4. Classification of optical fiber. Write a note on 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 classification of optical fiber. Next, write any 4 advantages of optical fiber. Write any 4 advantages of optical fiber. Any 4 advantages of optical fiber. And then last question is multiple choice questions. We'll take MCQs. Before that, I will take attendance. We take one example for homework. N1 means refractive index of core is equal to 1.4 and refractive index of cladding is equal to 1.3. Calculate क्या करना? Critical angle. Second, critical angle, acceptance angle. So calculate critical angle, acceptance angle, delta means fractional refractive index change, and numerical aperture. Okay, once again I will repeat. N1 is equal to 1.4, N2 is equal to 1.3. Determine, calculate critical angle, comma, acceptance angle, comma, delta means fractional refractive index change, and last value of Na means numerical aperture. Okay, this is a one example for homework. So tomorrow you complete it. Now we'll stop it here.